Hello everyone. I'm addressing on educational empowerment of scheduled castes in India. Topics covered in this video are these: Introduction to educational empowerment, pre-matric scholarship, post-matric scholarship, then scholarships for higher education, coaching for competitive exams for higher education. All these fall under the schemes or the struggle by central and state government for the educational empowerment of scheduled caste. Introduction to educational empowerment. Various scholarships are provided to the students of the scheduled caste to ensure their educational empowerment. Government has initiated several scholarship schemes with the purpose of empowering scheduled castes for their educational growth. These scholarships are provided at both pre-matric and post-matric levels. At school level also, till 10th class, these scholarships are provided. Even after 10th class, that is for 11th and 12th class also, such scholarships are provided. They are also provided with scholarships for obtaining higher education in India and abroad, including leading educational institutions. Higher education in the sense they are given the scholarship for engineering, medicine, law, not only at bachelor level, even at master level, even at PhD level. Now we will see pre-matric scholarship for scheduled castes. Pre-matric scholarship. The objective of the pre-matric scheme is to support the parents of scheduled castes children for educating their ward. This scheme is primarily for supporting the parents of scheduled castes so that in turn they can educate their children, so that the incident of dropouts at this stage is minimized. Usually, poor parents try to send their children for jobs or for some tasks where they can earn money. If the children are provided with sufficient scholarship, it is possible that parents pay attention for the education of their children. Pre-matric scholarship to the children of those engaged in occupations involving cleaning and prone to health hazards. This is special pre-matric scholarship given to those people, those members of scheduled castes who are involved in low level tasks such as cleaning, which may lead to health hazards. This is a centrally sponsored scheme implemented by the state governments and union territory administrations. 100% central assistance from the government of India is provided. Now I shall focus on post-matric scholarship for scheduled castes. Post-matric scholarship for scheduled caste students, called as PMS-SC. It is the single largest scheme by the government of India for educational empowerment of scheduled caste students. For 11th and 12th class students, this scheme is the only scheme and only largest scheme by the government of India. This is a centrally sponsored scheme and 100% central assistance is released to state governments as well as union territories for expenditure incurred by them under this scheme. Under this scheme, whatever expenditure is taken up by the state governments and union territories, they are paid in turn by the government of India. Scholarships for obtaining higher education and coaching schemes. Now I focus on scholarships for obtaining higher education. Top class education for scheduled caste students. This scheme is to promote qualitative education amongst students of SCs. This scheme is planned for qualitative education, in the sense high level education for scheduled caste students. It provides full financial support for pursuing studies beyond 12th class in notified institutions of excellence like IITs, NITs, IIMs, reputed medical as well as law and other institutions. This scheme is planned for educating students at notified institutes of excellence. Scholarship is awarded to the eligible SC students on securing admission in any of the institutions notified by the ministry. Scholarship is issued only when students get admission in those institutions which are notified and recognized by the ministry. Scholarships for obtaining higher education. The first one is National Fellowship. It provides financial assistance to scheduled caste students for pursuing research studies for MPhil, PhD and equivalent research degrees. National Fellowship is for MPhil, PhD and equivalent research students, and it provides sufficient financial assistance to scheduled caste students in this regard. Next is National Overseas Scholarship. It is for the students of scheduled caste denotified, that is informal, nomadic, meaning wandering tribes or semi-nomadic tribes, etc., for pursuing higher studies of master level courses and PhD programs abroad. This National Overseas Scholarship is planned for those scheduled caste students who belong to nomadic or semi-nomadic tribes and those are willing to pursue higher studies either at master level or at PhD level abroad, in the sense in other countries, in foreign countries. Free coaching for scheduled caste and OBC students. The objective is to provide coaching of good quality for economically backward, scheduled caste and other backward class candidates. The purpose of this scheme is to provide the coaching of good quality for economically backward, scheduled caste and other backward classes, to enable scheduled castes and other backward classes to appear in competitive exams. The purpose of this scheme to make them or to help them appear in competitive examinations, consequently succeed in obtaining an appropriate job in public or private sector. Once they qualify in competitive exams, they will get good education and consequently they will get a good job either in private or public sector. This is aimed by this scheme. This scheme provides central assistance to institutions, centers run by the central or state governments or union territories administrations. This particular scheme provides assistance to those institutions and centers which are run by either central government or state government or union territories with the above purpose of educating students so that they qualify competitive examinations. Or these schemes can support or can provide central assistance to central or state universities or PSUs or registered private institutions, NGOs, etc. Coaching is provided for Group A and B examinations conducted by the UPSC, SSC, various railway recruitment boards and state PSCs. Officers grade examinations conducted by banks, insurance companies or PSUs, and premier entrance examinations for admission in engineering, medical and professional courses like management, law, etc. Here it is shown that this scheme provides coaching for what kind of examinations.